Hi, and congratulations on completing week 4 and making it to the halfway point of the course. That's quite an accomplishment, and for those of you who are either graduating this semester or next, please stay the course. This is often a point where people's minds begin to think about post-grad graduation, but stay with us for a few more weeks and recognize that this week is a short week because of Easter, and so to not fall behind, I encourage you to move into week 5 as quickly as possible. Now, week 4, we looked at prophecy in Israel's context, and we were to understand the function, role, and nature of prophecy in the ancient Near East, compare the characteristics of prophecy in Israel and non-Israelite ancient Near Eastern societies, and compare and contrast how prophets addressed kings in Israel. And that last part was central to the way you answered many of these questions. So everyone did very well. They were fairly straightforward assignments. The key for assignment 4.1 was not to use the stanza analysis, but to just go ahead and write a paper, which so far on the ones I've graded, everyone has. You were to create a 2-page handout or 2-page paper that summarizes for lay audiences the 3 most significant similarities and differences you perceive between non-Israelite ancient Near Eastern prophecy and Israelite prophecy. So for this paper, it was exactly that. Did you give me 3 examples of ancient Near Eastern prophecy that was similar, and 3 examples from ancient Near Eastern prophecy that was different than the Bible? And so for those who scored very well, they gave me specific examples of how the 2 are similar or different, not just a general overview, but using evidence. And so at this point in the master's program, I am looking for exclusively evidence to argue your position. If you didn't have biblical support or ancient Near Eastern support, then it cost points. I wanted to see a solid engagement with the reading, and I wanted to see a good conclusion discussing how we might use this understanding in modern ministry. The second assignment was speaking truth to power, and it was similar in that I wanted the question was, what did you observe in this week's readings in Scripture and the ancient Near Eastern text, answering 3 questions. How did the prophets speak to or about the king? Were they brown-nosers or unapologetic critics? And were the texts similar or different in this way? Again, I was looking for specific examples from the Bible and specific examples from the ancient Near Eastern reading that you did, demonstrating how ancient Near Eastern or Assyrian prophecy was different and similar to biblical prophecy, especially as it revolved around prophesying for the king. On whole, folks did well as long as they included specifics about their position and did not gloss over and give me too many platitudes or just general information. We said be sure to engage with the reading in your post, and most folks did. I think the discussion and engagement was good. So I'll get off of this and on to week 5 so you can get started on your assignments. Thanks for all the hard work. Be sure to stay focused as we start the second half of the course. Have a great day.